Be Still, Love Nature, written and illustrated by Dalia Jean. Be still, love nature. The world can feel so busy, so chaotic and so loud. Take time to visit nature. Be still and you'll be wowed. Breathe in and shush your thoughts. Breathe out, release your worries. Be still, spend time in nature where there's no need to hurry. Be still and close your eyes now. The sunlight warms your face. Be still, connect with nature. Slow down and match its pace. Be still and watch the trees move. Leaves glimmer in the breeze. Be still and watch the flowers as they gently greet the bees. Be still and hear the creek now. The water moves and flows. Be still and feel the cool soft mud. Let it squish between your toes. Be still and feel the ladybug as she crawls along your skin. Be still and hear the birds up high. Hear nature's choir sing. Be still, pick up and hold the stone. It fits nicely in your palm. Be still and look around you. Nature gives a sense of calm. Be still and feel the fallen leaf. Nature's fabric at its best. Be still, look closer at it now. Your spirit feels at rest. Be still and smell the clean, crisp air. Stop and sit so quietly. Be still and treasure all of this our earth shares so beautifully. Be still, spend time in nature. Surely happy you will be. Be still, love nature truly. You'll feel love back. You'll see. The end.